Hi there, everybody. This is John Drew here from Elevated Planet.
And Jolé Gabrielle here from Elevated Planet. And today on this Sunday, we'd like to welcome you to our show. And John is going to give us a little bit more about.
Yeah, no, it's going to be exciting today. We have got a little bit of digging deep into what has been going on in the planet and this new 13,000 year cycle, which is now underway. Or to be precise, it's 12,812 and a half year cycle. Like the last one ended with Atlantis disappearing off the face of the map as we know it. But it takes a long time for these things to birth.
Silence is the key to unlocking your most extraordinary dreams, acting as a portal to a life beyond your wildest imagination. In this very moment, you possess the power to completely transform your existence. It all begins by stepping into the quiet space within you. Consider how often you truly allow yourself to be silent. In our constantly noisy world, we are bombarded with information, opinions, and distractions. Our minds endlessly chatter, rehashing the past and worrying about the future. This noise disconnects us from our true selves and our infinite potential. Embracing silence creates something magical. You tap into a wellspring of creativity, wisdom, and power that has always been within you, waiting to be noticed. It's like turning down the volume on a radio and finally hearing the beautiful song playing softly in the background all along. In silence, you begin to hear your inner voice, not the critical one that doubts and judges, but the wise, loving voice that knows your true worth. This voice has been guiding you your entire life, but it has been drowned out by the world's noise and your busy thoughts. As you practice being silent, you'll notice changes within yourself. Your mind becomes clearer, like a still lake reflecting the sky. Solutions to problems that once seemed impossible start to appear, and ideas and inspiration flow effortlessly. You experience a sense of peace and contentment that is not dependent on external circumstances. The most exciting part is that these changes don't stop within you. As you cultivate inner silence, the world around you begins to shift. Opportunities start appearing out of nowhere, the right people show up in your life at just the right time, and things that used to frustrate you now roll off your back. You find yourself in a state of flow, where life unfolds with ease and grace. This is not just wishful thinking or new age fluff. It's supported by cutting-edge research in neuroscience and quantum physics. When you quiet your mind through meditation and mindfulness, you literally change the structure and function of your brain, creating new neural pathways that support positivity, creativity, and resilience. At the quantum level, your thoughts and emotions send out vibrations that interact with the energy field around you. In a state of inner turmoil, you broadcast static. But when you cultivate inner silence, you become a clear channel, able to receive and transmit on a much higher frequency. Think of it like tuning a radio. When you're stuck in negative thought patterns and emotional reactivity, you're tuned into a station playing nothing but problems and limitations. But by accessing that quiet space within, you start picking up a new frequency, one of infinite possibilities and abundance. The amazing thing is, you don't have to force this change. You don't need to struggle or push. All you need to do is get out of your own way and allow the natural intelligence of your body and mind to work its magic. Silence is the doorway to this state of allowing. I understand some of you might be thinking, this sounds great, but my life is chaotic. I don't have time to sit in silence. We all have busy lives filled with demands and responsibilities. But here's the thing. You don't need hours of uninterrupted quiet to start this journey. Even a few minutes a day can make a significant impact. Begin small. Set aside just 5 minutes each morning to sit in silence before your day begins. Close your eyes, focus on your breath, and simply observe your thoughts without engaging with them. If your mind wanders, gently bring your attention back to your breath. No special techniques or complicated rituals are required. As you make this a daily habit, accessing that inner quiet space will become easier, even during a hectic day. You'll develop the ability to pause and center yourself, before reacting to stressful situations, making decisions from a place of clarity rather than confusion. Over time, you might extend your silent time to 15 minutes or even an hour. However, don't worry about the quantity. It's the quality of your attention that matters most. 5 minutes of true presence is far more powerful than an hour of distracted meditation.
So thank you for joining me for this meditation. And as you can tell, Dr. Joe came in and said, 5 minutes of silence is better than 15 minutes of distracted meditation. However, I'm going to take you through a creative visualization of silence so that just follow my voice. And it is commanded that as my voice takes you through this guided meditation, you will create silence within your mind, your body, your spirit, and your energy field. So to begin, I would like for you to please put your feet flat on the floor, your palms face up on your thighs. For those of you who may be laying down, please keep your feet flat for the beginning part of the meditation. Now, as you connect with your breath and begin to breathe with the rhythm of your body, bring your awareness to your heart, your chest, and command for all the cells in your body to turn heart-shaped, moving love throughout all of your organs, your ligaments, your muscles, your bones, and all of the systems in your body, and especially your skin, moving it out into that aura layer. It's just you're surrounded by love. And inside of you is nothing but love. And what does love open up? Love opens up space. So as you breathe with the rhythm of your body, I'd like you to command your heartbeat to now sync up with your breath, harmonize with the systems in your body. Now, bring your awareness to between your sit bones and ground your energy into Mother Earth. And since we are moving into a state of unspeakable beauty, we're going to bring heaven and earth together within us by creating a grounding cord that is of golden rain. And if you don't like the golden rain, you can do a golden portal. But this time, instead of it being straight down, we're going to command that it be a gentle spiral all the way down. Our grounding cord is connecting with the energy and the spirals of wisdom that are contained within Mother Earth. And gold conducts that positive energy with which we need to pull in, not only for healing, but for us to bring in that feminine energy that allows us to harmonize, collaborate, and create. Make sure you root and ground yourself into Mother Earth. And as you do so, call in your golden rose-shaped cleaning utensils. Mine are usually scrubbing bowls. And they become one with your grounding cord, removing and resolving anything you're ready to let go of, anything you're ready to release, and especially any genetic and ancestral blockages to your positive journey towards bliss and peace and unspeakable beauty in this lifetime. So whatever contract, vow, agreement, other obligation that your ancestors, your genetic code may have made with any type of energy in the past that no longer serves you, we are no longer under that. It is commanded that this trauma be resolved and dissolved on a history level, cancel, pull, delete, soul, core, genetic, and sent to Creator's light, replaced with unconditional love for others and self, unconditional forgiveness, as well as that creation, that reconnection, and that harmonizing with the laws of the universe and positive energies that surround us, and filling up that space within ourselves with love and gratitude, which is the recipe for expansion and positive creation. And this is for you. So take a deep breath in. It's all you. When we fill up our cup and we harmonize all parts of us, that's when we begin to experience the silence of action, movement, and healing. So I'd like for you to create, visualize, and imagine the emptiness in all of the cells of your body being filled up with love, being filled up with gratitude. So you connect with that part of you that is the brain, and you pour love, heart-shaped love and gratitude into your brain, into your mind, into your neck, all in your shoulders, your chest, your stomach, your hips, your thighs, your knees, your legs, your feet, your hands, your arms are just, all of it is filled up with heart-shaped energy. As this moves out into your aura layer, filling you up and out into your environment. As you breathe with the rhythm of your body and you connect with that silence within you, that intuition, the voice of love that guides you. As you call your higher self above you and you say, do your magic. Stand above me in your power and create a holographic image of me in the universe, in my power. And allow for that energy to rain down into all my cells, creating an energy of peace and bliss, filling up the space within the space of our loving gratitude. And these cells now are beginning to pulsate with electricity of love as they push out into our aura layer, filling up our environment, magnetizing to us peace, love, harmony, connection, collaboration, creation, and creating that alignment with the laws of the universe. As you take a deep breath in, you exhale, and you allow for this energy to propagate, expand, and grow within your energy field. This silence is creating love and gratitude within your energy field that is then moving out into your environment. So today, as you go about your day, the affirmations are, in my silence, I project love, I project gratitude, and I project peace in my environment. And that love and that gratitude and that peace comes back to me. So now, in your heart-centered space, I'd like for you to see an infinity symbol, a beautiful emerald green infinity symbol, so that this silence, this love, this gratitude, and this peace creates an infinity loop within your heart, programming your blood and your cells, and that space within the space. And now these cells, this infinite energy is moving throughout your body. As we've learned about the concaveness and the roundness of our blood, now these cells in this blood, they come together to create an infinity. And that space within is filled with love, gratitude, creativity, harmony and divine silence allows for this to expand and propagate, connecting you to your intuition, your higher self, the divine, Mother Earth, and your fellow man in the highest and best way with grace and ease. All of you is whole and complete, sitting in the infinite space of love, gratitude, creation, and harmony. Any other positive thing you can imagine. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, see yourself just expand, your aura layer just pushing out with love into your environment, affecting change, positive change in your community and in your world. And most certainly within you. Hold a space for your expansion and love, for that feminine energy of creativity and harmony to fill up the spaces within you in the highest and best way with grace and ease. Thank you. It is done, and so it is. Bring your awareness to your heart if you're not there already. Take a deep breath in, exhale, connect with your grounding cord, remain grounded. Your aura layer, higher self, your astral body is snapped in. But your aura this time is big and wide, and it is just projecting love all out into your environment. And the one last thing we're going to do before we end is I want you to generate, create, or imagine. And if that's difficult for you, command it to be so. Just say, it is commanded that my energy field is surrounded with spiritual roses of protection, so that love that I give comes back to me as well. So we're going to protect our energy, and we're going to make sure we stay in this state of bliss. So as you move throughout your day, if negativity comes your way, you automatically replace that with a positive opposite of that. And let's turn that into a practice, because now we've been energized with infinity, the cells coming together, binding with each other, harmonizing in a way that creates love, peace, and expansion in the highest and best way with grace and ease. Take a deep breath in. Exhale. And when you're ready, you can open your eyes.